Alright, so today we'll be discussing about projects for RStudio. And before we proceed on that, let's talk about workstation. So sa workstation, ito yung mga ginagawa nyo, mga items na kailangan nyo. And meron tayong mga clutters there, right? For a sewing stations or for a carpentry stations. Andun yung mga gamit natin. It's arm's reach. Others will see it as clutter, but of course, while we are doing our own project, hindi siya clutter. The same with RStudio. So if you open your RStudio, you will notice at the far end corner, ayan, meron ditong project. So before we proceed on that, I'm currently using Linux, but in Windows or Mac, I believe the interface is the same. Mayroong folder. I went to the document folder, and then we can create folder. So, anong pangalan ng project natin? Let's say, ang malupit na project. Ayan. So, you can use any names naman. In this case, it's just for you to really understand that the name doesn't matter. So, let's now create the new project, existing directory, and then we browse, we go to the documents, and then we click that ang malupit na project. So, that would be now our project. And then create the project. Let's wait for the computer to finish all the things it has to do. And then you will notice that andito na siya. The files is now visible. Now, in our case, I have downloaded some files. May chance nyo na ito yung project natin, nakikita niya dahil katabi. Pwede natin copyin lahat to, copy, and then we go to our project, and then we paste that. Now, since it's now adjacent to our project, kaya niyang basahin yun. Of course, we just have to refresh. There we have it. Kita na siya. So, kung you're going to import those things, let's say library, fst, oops, fst, tsaka, ayan, kailangan natin to. And then if we're going to import these things, so kailangan natin yung project na read Excel. Ang gagawin ni read Excel, it will read some Excel file. So back then, pag meron tayong Excel file, ang ginagawa natin, right, is we look for the whole locations, right? And then print close. And then, ito siya. But since meron na tayong project, so kung ito ay method 1, method 2 is, it's the same. Pero hindi na natin kailangan kunin yung buong file path. Kasi nga nabasa na ng our project. So what we just need to do is, yung file name lang. And of course, the file extension. Saan natin lalagay? Let's say, datos ni Aura. Ayan. So, we're going to click on this one. Run. Can establish. Sorry, FST pala siya. So, ito pala dapat. Monde pala yung Excel file. Ayan. So, andun na siya. So, hindi na natin kailangan yung buong file ni file path ni Monde. Same goes with the other. Ito dahil to ay CSV. Again, hindi na natin kailangan kunin yung buong file path. This is no longer needed. Although, pwede pa rin natin subukan. What happened? Ayan. Tapos ito, dahil to kailangan to ng reader. And then read CSV. Ito ay si Pepsi. So, pangalan natin Pepsi. Ayan. So, dati, ito yung ginagamit natin. Masyado mahaba, right? Gagana naman siya, but pag ginamit natin tong pangalawang method, it will work. Ay, bakit tayo? Ay, sorry. Dapat pala ano. Read Excel, ayan. Let's wait. Ayan na. The same goes with FST or fast file. Ayan yun yung aura. FST, ano gagawin ng FST? Read, of course, FST files. So dahil preferred ko na tong method 2, hindi ko na gagamitin yung 1. So what I'm always going to do is gagawa ako lagi ng project so that hindi ko nakukunin yung buong file. In this way also, whatever happens, kung merong import or export, kita lagi. This is also very beneficial for those who are Mac users. Medyo mahirap kunin talaga yung file path, right? Hindi siya tulad sa Microsoft or sa Linux, nakita mo siya kagad. So that's it for today. I'll be seeing you when I see you. Ciao, bye-bye. Tito Peroji.